The Rise of the Four. In a small town, Jack and Emily lived with their 2 children, Liam and Grace. Jack was a carpenter, known for his skills, but finding steady work was difficult. Emily, resourceful and kind, helped the family by selling handmade crafts. Despite their best efforts, their earnings barely covered food, and life was a daily struggle. Every night, the family would sit together, dreaming of better days. Jack would remind them, "If we keep working hard, things will change. We just need to stick together." One stormy night, disaster struck. Jack's small workshop was destroyed, leaving him without tools or a way to earn money. For weeks, they struggled even more, often going to bed hungry. But Emily, determined to hold the family together, began selling homemade baskets at the market. Liam and Grace, though young, helped gather materials and worked alongside their parents, learning the value of effort and teamwork. Months passed, and Jack heard about a nearby city where skilled carpenters were needed. With no better options, the family sold what little they had and moved. The city was overwhelming, and they rented a tiny, cramped apartment. Jack worked long hours taking whatever jobs he could find, while Emily continued her craft work. Liam and Grace studied hard in school, but always found time to support their parents. Slowly, Jack's reputation as a talented carpenter spread. He began receiving larger projects, and his small workshop grew into a proper business. Emily's baskets became popular, and she started selling them in local stores. With their combined efforts, the family saved enough to move into a better home. Years later, Liam and Grace graduated with honors, inspired by their parents' hard work and determination. Jack's carpentry business became one of the most respected in the city, and Emily's handmade products were sold nationwide. The family story became an inspiration to many, proving that perseverance and unity could overcome even the hardest times. And that's the end of our story. The moral of this story is that with hard work and staying united, even the toughest challenges can be overcome. No matter how hard life gets, supporting each other and never giving up can lead to wonderful rewards. Here are some interesting words from the story to learn and remember. Carpenter, a person who makes or fixes things from wood. Resourceful, good at solving problems. Disaster, a very bad thing that happens, like a storm or fire. Destroy, to break something completely. Overwhelming, too much to handle. Determination, not giving up. Perseverance, keeping on trying, even when it's hard. We hope you enjoyed this story and maybe learned a few new words today. Comment a new word you just learned from this story, make a sentence with it, and drop it in the comments. Please give this video a like, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.